Hi everyone, this is Sean from Tenda. Today we'll be explaining more about rollers and how to take care of your rollers. So basically, rollers will have to have this space between the floor and the weight. It is important that we have that a bit tension so the fabric will stay straight. Another thing we encounter a lot, sometimes people over rotate. So as you can see, the fabric just got more on the floor and they keep going down and rolling up the fabric on the other way around. This is not the correct position to have your fabric. The fabric has to be always on the back side of the roller. So what do? Just take down the fabric again, roll it backwards, and it will take its own position by itself. To clean out your rollers, you can just use a damp cloth, only water, and just wipe it out. In the event, if you've got stains on it, you can always use a bit of dish soap, not too much. And you can clean off this stain wherever it's needed. Wipe it off. And it is important that you leave the fabric down so it dries up.